Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. In this
Today,
video,
I am
I'll be
cooking
sharing with you
jollof
tips on
rice,
how to make a party
Nigerian
style
jollof rice.
Nigerian
So I'm using
smoky
iron pot
jollof
to
rice.
give it a
Let's get started.
smoky flavor when it gets burnt. Okay, that's why I'm using iron pot. So our stew is ready. I've already prepared the stew for the rice. Jollof rice is when you mix tomato stew, you mix it up with rice and you cook it. Okay, so that's jollof rice. Add the rice, mix it up. The stew is tasty. Okay, and it's seasoned properly. Okay, season it properly as if the salt or is over seasoned, so that when you add the rice it will soak it up and the seasoning will be all right. Okay, if you over season the stock, when the rice soaks it up, you will have less salt. It will not be properly seasoned. So I'm going to cover the pot and let it cook. So this is what you do. It's already smoking. Okay, so this is what I do so that the stock will go down and prevent it from burning too much. Yeah, so that it will cook evenly. All right, I'm going to allow it to soak up all this delicious stuff. Cover it up again. At this point, our rice is ready. Okay, it has started boiling. You hear that? So what I'm going to do is to cover it up, leave it 2 minutes so that it will have that smoky flavor. So we're going to make a hole so that the smoke will come up. Then we'll cover it back. So right now I'm going to off the stove. Can you see the smoke? So this is how you get smoky jollof rice. You use iron pots, okay? In America, they will infuse the smoke. That's a device they use to infuse smoke to certain food. So I'm going to cover it, okay? And off the lights. We are done. Trap the smoke inside. So today, look at our delicious smoky jollof rice. It is ready, party style, and we are coming to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share this video, and I will be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye, and God bless you.